Hi guys, we're going to be doing this Nerf gun today. Yeah, this one, cool. We're going to try and get it into the net. So it might be easy. So it's cocked and loaded. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Did I get that? Let's have a look. Oh, it's right there. Where's it falling through those springs? Okay, let's see what my second bullet does. Hopefully it gets in this one. Okay, I'm going to grab my Nerf gun. Okay, put it here. Okay, so load it, hang on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. No, let's see if that got it. Where did it go? Ah, there it is. Here. So it nearly banged off this wall into here. I just only got that much. Okay. 3 more bullets. Where's my Nerf gun? Oh, there it is. Oh, just to say, we're using a hammer shot. You see it right there. Okay, so this is how you load it, by the way. I can't do it like that. Okay, it's cut and loaded. Okay, should get in this time. Nowhere near. Oh, hi bikes. Who cares? It is right there if you guys can see it. Looks like a leaf. Okay, get my shell out of the way. See, it's right there. Right there. Okay. Okay guys, I think we need to end that there. Because this is all I could have. So I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, okay. See you in the next video. Bye.